These are the ingredients for the strawberry cream cheese muffins. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Truly thank you guys for stopping by the channel, and thank you for showing your support out there. Today I wanted to share with everyone how I make my strawberry muffins, or better yet, I should say strawberry cream cheese muffins. They are light and fluffy and very, very tasty. So let me know if you decide to make them, okay? And how they turn out for you. They should turn out excellent, guys. They're best little muffins that you could come across, okay, here on the channel. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on our muffins. I've already taken a little screenshot to show you exactly what I put in the muffins, okay, and also I'll put the recipe for you guys at the end of the video. All right, so stay tuned as we get started. So as you can see here, we've already started cutting up our strawberries, and we're going to go ahead and completely cut those up. And it only takes just a handful of these to process, okay, your recipe. So just remember that. Okay. So I only used about I would say about 7 or 8 strawberries. The pretty much medium to large size is what you need. Okay. Alright. And this is going to go into the recipe, the last thing that goes into the recipe. Alrighty, so we're going to set that to the side. Go ahead and take our bowl. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with that. So as I said before, this is a very simple recipe. Should not have any struggles or problems with it, okay? All right, so everything is a step-by-step. If you follow the recipe step-by-step, you should not have any problems at all, okay? All right, so the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and put into our bowl is our ½ cup of sugar. We have that here. Everything is already pre-measured out. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put in our cream cheese. Everything is at room temperature too, so that way you'll know. You want everything at room temperature. It helps it blend very well when it's like that. So just remember that when you're making the muffins. Okay? Try to get all of that out of there. Found these to be very, very delicious. And you can make them year-round. Okay? They're very popular at this time of the year because it's transitioning over from January to into February in a week or so, and that's going to give you your lead into Valentine's Day. Okay, so you can make it for that too if you like, or like I say, anytime that you have a taste for strawberry in the form of a muffin. Okay. So, all right. So now that we have that in there, okay, we're going to go ahead and start adding in our butter. This is our melted butter. Put that in there as well. And then we have our salt. And we have our oil. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and also add our vanilla. Okay, that equals to 1 whole teaspoon there. And our baking powder. And next up is the milk. So we have all of our liquids and things like that combined in there. And then we're going to go ahead and give that a stir. Just to combine, just stir it enough to combine it. And don't, be worried if you see some of the little specks of the butter or the cream cheese float on top. It's natural. There's nothing wrong with it. All right, that looks good. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our 2 eggs. We'll stir that in. Okay. All right. We're going to add in the flour, a portion at a time. Okay. smells so good. It really, really does. All right. Everything is coming together really, really good. So I like that. I like what I see so far. Alright. Alright, really, really mixing that in there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put in the strawberry extract. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Wow. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to stir that in. Now we're at the last part where we're going to go ahead and add in the strawberries, okay? All right. All right, so now we've added that in there. Go ahead and stir that in. And again, that's our chopped or minced strawberries. And we're adding to the dough. Hope you can see that. The camera gives you a good view there. Okay, and that's just to give you a close-up caption there of what it looks like once you add the strawberries to the mixture. Okay, all right, and that's what it should look like. All right, so as you can see, we've already prepared our muffin pan with our little cups that we've already placed in there, and we're going to go ahead now and finish off by putting the muffin mix here into our pan, and then we're going to pop this in the oven. Okay, and I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, okay? And it should be about 35 to 40 minutes for the muffins to completely bake in the oven. All right? Okay, so this came out to exactly 12 muffins, guys. Exactly 12. So I'll make sure to give you the exact measurements, and if you want to double up and say you want 24, then you'll just increase it, okay, the ingredients. All right, so that is it. We're going to finish up this, pop it in the oven, and we will be right back, guys. All right, so stay tuned as we finish up another delicious treat. Okay guys, this is the finished product, which is our strawberry cream cheese muffin. Okay, I just wanted to come back and give you a little idea of what you can do if you decide to make the muffins. Okay, as you can see, I added some fresh strawberries on top along with some whipped topping. Okay. So I'm going to close off the video now, and thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. And that's Diane's Decorating and More. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.